Hello, in front of me I've got JBL headphones. In this video I'll show you how to reset your headphones to factory defaults. The first method is going to JBL headphones app. Make sure that your headphones are connected with the smartphone and now enter support. Select reset to factory settings and confirm. The second method is to make sure your headphones are turned on. Then disconnect it from every device and next press and hold plus and minus button for about 5 seconds. And it's done. Your headphones will automatically enter pairing mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.